Okay, so we're going to solder the paint tray now. What I've done there is I've put all the flux to make the solder run inside the little pockets where the paint's going to go, and I've also cut some 12 lengths of solder for the horizontal joints to fill the bottom of the pan and hold those in place. So here we go. This one's going to be a little bit harder because we've got to get the whole tray up to heat. The clamps are holding it down because when it gets hot the tray will buckle. So this is actually being held in place by the clamps to stop the buckling. And when it gets up to heat, that solder is going to run into those joints on the horizontals across here, like so, and seal those trays, and then we'll turn it round through 90 degrees and do the ones the other way. Okay, that's that end up to heat. There we go, that's that one, that's good. It's making nice joints now. And the trouble we've got with this is that we can get a situation where when we do the next soldering, it melts the solder that we've just done, so we have to be very careful and sort of do it in a sequence so that the whole thing doesn't pop again and pop up. This is doing good, this is fine. It's good because once the whole thing gets hot, the solder goes much quicker. Okay, we're there. That's it. I reckon that's those joints good. A little bit in there that needs to run. There we go. Yeah, that looks fine. We'll just do the vertical joints in the tray as well where we've got it here. So that's these ones at this point here. It's quite good because we can just melt underneath and then just drop that in. While this is all up to heat, it's good. This is where we have to be really careful because everything else is hot and moving. Now you can see that solder just flying away there. And if I heat the pan underneath, I can actually just touch that solder into the corners. Just hot enough. There she goes, and you can see it flow. It's ever so quick once it gets to go. Trouble is that solder wire gets shorter and shorter, and I just have to be careful not to burn my fingers, so I pick a bigger one up. Just in here like so. I get in there. There she goes, that's good. Okay. So I'm going to be back to using those high-tech jigs and fixtures again. Some kidney beans and some cannellini beans. I'm just going to use those to prop the board up the other way around so that we can get in and do these joints in here. Yeah, so we just need 12 little pieces of solder to go into that space. And it's really soft, so you know you can cut it with scissors, not a problem. And it just means that they're the right length to drop in. And also what's happening at the moment is that brass tray is cooling off, allowing us time to let all the other joints chill, and then we can put these in and heat it up again. Okay, that's the tray done, and you can see there that's super hot, but actually the solder is all in the corners and all in the joints, so that's good to go for painting and polishing the back. So I think that's it for today. We'll have another go after Christmas. So here's wishing you a happy Christmas.